Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which is used to actually show you the live webcam feed, or you can even record your own screen as well. So you can see it's a Python package and it's tkinter package specifically. Tkinter is a framework in Python to build out desktop applications. So this is a package specifically designed for tkinter applications. The name of the package is tkinter-webcam. If you go to the website here, pypi.org, just search for this package tkinter-webcam. So it actually displays a webcam window in your tkinter GUI. So it basically makes the task way more easier to actually get your access to your web camera to directly show inside your tkinter application. You don't need to write the code from scratch. Instead, you can use this package. Simply execute this command in the command line to install this package. I've already installed it. So now let me show you how to do this. So I will write this code step by step just to show you how to get started here. Let me close this application. Just build a simple app.py file, and right here you simply first of all import the base tkinter package which comes inside your Python installation. You don't need to require this module or install it. And then from tkinter webcam, this is actually the third-party package that we installed. We need to import this class here which is webcam. After that, we just need to create the main window. We can easily create this tk like this, and then we can set the title of the window. Let's suppose I say webcam viewer, and then after that we just need to create the webcam box. For creating it, we simply say webcam object webcam dot. We use this function box. Here we provide the window, and then we actually provide the width and the height of this webcam. You can set this to, let's suppose, 600. Width and height is, let's suppose, 800. This will be the sizing of your web camera which will show inside the window. And then we simply say webcam object dot show frames. So this will actually render out your web camera, and then we need to simply start the application. So here we write window dot main loop. That's all that we need to do, guys. This is all the code here. So if you run this application, you will actually see this will be the web camera which will get started here. So by default my web camera is this one. So in your case your web camera will be different. So this is a very useful package, guys, if you are building some kind of a video recording, or if you want to show your web camera inside your tkinter application. This will be a perfect package. Simply install it and this will render your web camera inside your tkinter application. So the installation is pretty easy. You install the command and then you simply write this code. So I've given this code in the description of this video, guys. You can directly copy it, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.